all are doing hard work for those who are not coming.
Yes,
And it is your
Sir,
hard
we
work.
actually don't want to do, but it is our.
Yes, lesson number 4 from the diary of Anne Frank. This one is an exceptional case of a 13-year-old girl who started writing diary when she was only 13 years old. She was a Jewish girl. She took birth in Germany, and when the effect of Nazis it extended to Netherlands. That time, this girl, along with her family, they ran away from that place, and they hid themselves in Anne Frank's father's office. Name of father is Otto Frank. In his office building, they hid. Hiding. Past tense of hide is hid. So they were around 30 people. That Anne Frank was there. She was having her elder daughter, elder sisters, mother, father were there. So it was a lovely family for little Anne Frank. Along with this family, there were around 30 members in that group. But finally, they were trapped. After some time, after spending around 2 years, then finally they were trapped. During these 2 years, this girl, she wrote diary pages. And those diary pages, after the death of Anne Frank, when father found that these diary pages are very, very precious, then he decided to get it published. And then it came in the form of a book, in the form of a novel. So this Anne Frank, she took birth 1929. And when she reached at the age of 13, then she was given a diary. Her grandmother gifted, on her 13th birthday, she was gifted a diary, and then she started writing. But when she began to write, she was confused. She was having a very unusual experience because she never wrote diary. She never experienced how to start, how to write, what to write in a diary. Another thing that when she started writing, she did not have this thing in her mind that someday the whole world will read her diary pages. She did not start writing diary pages with this intention that one day she would become so popular, one day she would become so famous, and whatever she is writing, these diary pages would be read by many people. So she started writing, but she did not want to keep this diary a very normal one. That is why she, to enhance the glory of this diary, she gave a name to this diary. What was the name?
Kitty.
Kitty. One main reason she tells that why did she start writing diary, because she did not have true friend. She did not have true friend. Friends were there because in that company of 30 people, many people were close to Anne Frank, but Anne Frank did not want to disclose her secret. She did not want to be so intimate with these people because she did not feel, and she did not find anybody in that group to whom she could express her feelings. That is why she says that I did not find a true friend, and that is why I decided to make this diary my true friend. She felt that the pages of this diary, they are much more. She can believe in these pages much more. They can be much more trustworthy. That is why she shared her intimate feelings with this diary page, and she wrote everything. Now, before she begins writing diary, she told something about her family, about her 13 years life. She says that when father was shifted to Holland, before that she was living with father, mother. Her elder sister was there. Elder sister was around 3 years elder. She was living with that family, and she was having her grandmother also. But finally, because of some business purpose, because of some circumstances, father had to shift to Holland. When father shifted Holland, and after within 2-3 months, mother also shifted to Holland. These two girls remained behind with grandmother. Finally, after some days, this elder sister was also sent to Holland. Now she remained alone with grandmother. She spent a nice time with her grandmother, and that is why grandmother was very dear to Anne Frank. Now, on the occasion of elder sister's birthday, around in the month of February, this Anne Frank was also sent to Holland, and it was a kind of birthday gift for elder sister, because elder sister was alone there. She was also not having anybody with whom she could spend her time. So when she saw this younger sister Anne Frank on her birthday, it was a kind of birthday gift. She was brought there and she was put on the table as a birthday gift for elder sister. Name of elder sister? Margot. Then she says that after, when they were there, then grandmother died because of illness. She underwent an operation, and after that she died. And after the death of grandmother, when they celebrated birthday of Anne Frank, on that birthday she lit a special candle on her birthday to remember her grandmother. In memory of her grandmother, she lit a special candle for remembering her grandmother. And then she describes her day. Then she starts writing whatever is there in the diary. So before these diary pages, she wanted to give some introduction of her life, so that at least the readers, they should get involved in the diary, in her life. They should know how she spent her initial days. 1944, August 1944 was the last day when she wrote her diary. So at the age of 16 years, she left this world.
Why 1944? Her death was in 1945.
Her death was in
1945.
uh,
Then why she stopped writing in 1945?
due to some circumstances. She was not ill. She was ill.
She was captured at that time. That's why I think she stopped writing.
That because
she
of
was
that.
in
After that, they were trapped, and that is why she could not. And then she suffered with typhus, infectional fever, and because of that, finally she died. She died in the Holocaust. It was mostly discussed the Holocaust victim. Holocaust victim is, at that time they were, those trapped people were sent to concentration camp, and there they were tortured a lot, and finally many people died because of this disease. And this Anne Frank also died. Okay, now in the diary one, in the diary page, she describes the day of her school. Name of her teacher,
Mr. Teasing.
Mr. Keesing was there, and he was a which subject teacher? Maths teacher. Now the problem in the class, first day, that day, what was the atmosphere that day? That particular day which Anne Frank has described in her diary. How was the atmosphere?
Sir, anxious.
Result day, it was full of fear. They were anxious. They were afraid of their result, whether they will get the positive result or not. And they were making bet. Boys were making bet on this that he will get pass, she will get pass, result or whatever is there. So two boys were there, and the name of these two boys, one is
and Jackie.
CN and Jax. These two boys were there, CN and Jax, and they had bet the whole amount which they had saved during the holidays. The full amount they had set on a bet. Now these two girls, Anne Frank and her friend, name of friend is also given,
GN.
Jeez. So that two girls, they were trying to make everybody relax. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Don't put this way your money on bet. So all these positive thoughts, Anne Frank and her friend, they were trying to spread in the classroom. And then she describes the day when Mr. Keesing punished Anne Frank. The way of Mr. Keesing's punishment was, it was not the corporal punishment, but it was in a very innovative way, it was in a very creative way. And the punishment was
Write essay on the
to
topic.
write an essay. Why do you think that Mr. Keesing had given this punishment to Anne Frank? What was the reason?
She always thought.
What was the reason? Why this particular this kind of punishment Mr. Keesing gave to Anne Frank? What was the reason? That is the reason of punishment. But why this kind of punishment only Mr. Keesing gave? He could say that you can go out and stand there, don't attend my class. But Mr. Keesing gave a very different kind of punishment. So what was the importance of, what does it tell us about Mr. Keesing? Sit down. Anybody else? Roshan, what was the punishment given? What was the to write an essay? Okay, sit down. Say.
He was a different teacher from all others, as he gave her the topic regarding what he always do in the class, so that she could stop doing all that.
Repeat once again.
Mr. Keesing gave her the topic related to which she always do in the class, and she could feel shame and stop talking.
Shame, embarrassing. Any other reason?
So that she would realize someday that this was the kind of action that she did in class was an embarrassing one and to stop it.
Okay. Any other? Something very, very important. There are so many other ways also to feel a student embarrassing. But why did Mr. Keesing choose this particular one only? Yes?
So that she could learn argument,
She could learn.
giving argument.
Something more, something else she could learn. Suppose if she is writing essay, Anushka is writing every day one application, one letter. What is the benefit of writing?
She will learn. Writing.
That is for practice.
She could know how to represent something perfectly, not by simply talking or
To express whatever she is talking, whatever she is discussing in the classroom, at least in place of that, she could write something and it would be beneficial for her. That she could learn how to express herself in writing. Bola, bola, bola continuously, it is a wastage of time. बोल दिया, it is spreading in the universe. पता नहीं कहाँ से कभी को होगा. So that is wastage of time. But if she is writing something, what is she thinking and writing? So that would be a kind of benefit for Anne Frank. She could be good in writing. Writing skill could be developed. So at least some way this punishment was aiding to her study. Something it was aiding to her study. It was a kind of punishment. If we say somebody to write 2 pages, then they take it as punishment. But as a teacher, for Mr. Kissing, it was a kind of homework. It was beneficial. So that punishment was also a beneficial one. It was an innovative way. It was a creativity of Mr. Kissing. That she was feeling that I am punished. But indirectly she was getting some benefit also. Though that time she could not realize, but indirectly somewhere she was benefited because of this punishment. So Mr. Keesing gave the first punishment on the first day and the topic was Madhur. Chatterbox. What is the meaning of chatterbox? Yes, Risha.
one who talks so much.
One who talks so much. Chatterbox. A chatterbox. That is the first topic which was given. Now, what was the result of that topic? What was the conclusion of that punishment? How did she react? How did she express herself? Yes.
She explained in her essay that the ability of talking she inherited from her mother.
She has inherited this from her mother. That is why she cannot stop. It is inbuilt. It is a kind of what do we say? Naturally, which comes
Inherited.
inherited or some
Trait.
inbuilt.
Genes.
Traits.
Okay, leave that.
Inherited.
Okay, so that is inherited from her mother. That is why she cannot stop talking. So that was a way how she expressed herself in that essay. And Mr. Keesing was, what was the reaction of Mr. Keesing?
He was right.
He laughed. He laughed. He had a good laugh. Now, what was the intention? Why did this Anne Frank write this thing in essay? What was her intention? Simply, she wanted to say that it is inherited. That is why I cannot. Yes.
She wanted to embarrass her teacher.
She wanted to embarrass Mr. Feel embarrassing. That Mr. Keesing should feel embarrassing that I did a mistake. It was my mistake. So that was the intention of Anne Frank. Then finally, after that another punishment was there in the form of second essay. What was the topic of that second essay? Another incorrigible chatterbox. What does it mean? Which cannot be corrected, which cannot be stopped. Okay, so that incorrigible, that chatterbox, this girl cannot be corrected, cannot be changed, cannot be stopped. So in that sense, he gave another topic for Anne Frank to write an essay. Finally, she wrote this thought, and finally she wrote an essay and submitted. For third time, next time. In the third time, this.
She wrote it by herself also.
Huh?
It was not signed by her teacher. Third one is not signed by her teacher. Like third one she wrote by herself and gave him.
Confusion is some confusion. Hey, what the confusion is there, then we can make it clear.
She is thinking that she has the extract had not given the third topic. She took by herself.
She took by herself. No, this third time again, Mr. Keesing gave this topic. And the third topic was
Quack, 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 said mistress.
quack, 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 said mistress Chatterbox. So third time this topic was given. Third essay, third punishment. Now this time this Anne Frank, she found empty, her mind empty, that no any thoughts left. Because in two essays on the same topic almost, how much one can write. So now she is feeling that now her head has become empty, no any new thought is there. Then she took the help of
Her friend.
her friend, and her friend suggested to write this time essay in the
Poem.
form of a poem. And then finally she wrote the poem, and in that poem she described a story of
Herself.
duck. Father used to be duckling. How many ducklings were there?
Three.
Three. And all these three ducklings finally
Used to quack a lot.
died. They lost their life. Means Anne Frank wanted to show that Mr. Keesing is
Doing the same.
doing a lot. It's a kind of torture. Like father tortured a lot. And these three ducklings, they lost their life. And then Mr. Keesing did not assign any other essay, and he
Took the poem right.
started making jokes in the class. And he accepted whatever she had written, and he might have thought that now it's useless to say anything to this girl.
So what is the meaning of contrary?
Contrary means opposite.
Match में पढ़ा था.
Contrast.
Contrary or complement?
From the contrast, the word comes contrary.
Jega section.
सामने वाला है वापस.
Okay. Yes, here.
Sir, this diary's extract was not exact extract that she has written.
This one.
This one actually it has some of the modifications
Maybe.
because it can't be printed that much.
That we have to refer to that. It is in the library also.
Original diary.
Diary. Original or this is published printed one, na? Unabridged part is
Every
it.
diary has something modification.
But it is called unabridged. Whatever the piece of book we have now, piece of writing, that is unabridged. Unabridged means it's not
Modified.
modified. Okay, so that book is there in the library. We can match it. I did not go through that. Once it was in the
It's
syllabus.
written with
also.
slightly adaptation, that's why.
Adapted is a different thing. We have adapted this thing from that book. Okay, but modified, we have to see that whether really it is modified or
Because I think something it has some modification.
maybe.
Sir,
Uh,
sir, why she called her teachers the most unpredictable creatures on earth?
why? Tell me.
They can do anything at any time.
Yeah, actually.
Teachers are most unpredictable creature in the on this earth. Why do you think? What do you think?
Because we can't predict their nature at any moment. They
The
can
teacher
they
can't-
can do anything at any time. However, we can
Because so
predict.
many thoughts goes on in the mind of teacher. At a time, many thoughts come because teacher teach a lot, 40 students, 50 students in classroom. And teachers means if I am teaching, if I am looking at one student, means some other things, means after this what I have to ask, what teacher has to do, what assignment teacher has to do. So many thoughts goes on.
So if you will
But for a student, they are looking at teacher only.
yes, sir.
They have only one thought.
Listen.
But teacher teacher sometimes can take decision on the basis of Anushka. Teacher may take a decision according to Athal. Teacher may take decision on the basis of Pratigya, Roshan, anybody. So for everybody, it's a very kind of cannot predict that now
Student
what
cannot take
would come.
decision.
Because for a student there is only one person in front of them, but for teacher
So
different minds are there, different characters are there, different personalities are there. Okay, so that is why it is called unpredictable.
कभी कभी किसी का गुस्सा किसी पे निकलता
वो भी होता है, that is also true. Yes, take it and do practice. Let us see if one is enough. Now first question is on the basis of that extract, paper has more patience than people. I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless, wondering whether to stay in or go out. I finally stayed where I was brooding. Yes, paper does have more patience, and since I am not planning to let anyone else read this stiff bag notebook, grandly referred to as a diary, unless I should ever find a real friend, it probably won't make a bit of difference.
So what's the meaning of listless?
Listless means very dull, without any energy.
free paper.
Hmm?
Free paper.
No, dull, energy.
That's not how it
Sleepy.
is. He was the
Mrs.
type of
Pumphrey,
person-
Mrs. Pumphrey's dog was listless. Became listless.
What is hindrance?
Obstacles. First one, paper has more patience than people. What does this imply? This implies that N C1
Yes, yes.
had more faith in sharing her thoughts and feelings with paper, or felt that she could share her feelings openly on paper.
Sir, it can be
Yes.
It can be B or D.
B or D,
Yes, sir,
both
it can
can
be
be
D because
or D.
ultimately the meaning is same.
same. Yes, sir.
B or D.
D.
Felt that she could share her feelings openly on paper. Felt that she could pour her heart out on paper without any hindrance. B is most appropriate. Okay? Without any hindrance, without any obstacle. Nobody is there who can limit her.
Second topic.
Pick out the emotion which clearly brings out the meaning of listless.
D.
Fourth one.
Yes, sir.
That is yawning, that is fourth one. Huh?
So I thought
Third one.
नहीं सही जैसा
it could be A1.
Yeah, then it could be A1. B and C couldn't be.
No, no.
B and C is not possible.
Sir, B
B
is
and C is not
B
possible.
said
What you are not thinking, that is the option. That is the correct one.
B.
Dull,
Dull.
feeling energy, lack of energy. That is listless.
Sir, B.
Nine. B is not B. C, D only.
Which one?
D only.
Option second. B.
Second one is sad one. Second cannot be.
D, D,
First one
only
is
D.
sleeping.
Only D.
Then last one is yawning.
D, D.
C.
C is left.
Sir, C तो ये सब
Tired.
Can't be.
When somebody has become very tired.
It's
lack
not
of
tired.
energy.
सर ये तो सर ये तो